You should choose Russell Boston, and you should choose the Boston Law Firm because of experience. For 40 years, I've tried cases, bodily injury cases, before juries. I've handled workers' compensation cases. In fact, I've handled all kinds of cases. But for the past several decades, what I've done has been focused really on injured people, people who have been injured through no fault of their own, who have bills to pay, who are suffering, and I'm devoted to making things right. To me, whether it's a disease process or an injury, it's somebody's still hurting and they're still disabled and they're still unable to get out and earn money oftentimes, and they certainly have medical bills. So whether it's Social Security, workers' comp, bodily injury, what matters is a good lawyer has the ability to find an avenue for full compensation. And that's what we do here. We as the Boston Law Firm follow avenues to fully compensate people however they got injured or whyever they're hurt and disabled. That's what we do, is to find money for people who need help. The important thing is the lawyer's job is to figure out how you recover, what law is used to make a full recovery. That's not the client's job. The client knows they're hurt, the client knows they need help, and what they need from us is to figure out what kind of case they've got and how best they can be compensated. And the truth of the matter is, oftentimes, if you're injured, you could be injured in a motor vehicle collision, for example, while you're in the course of your employment. And in a situation like that, you may very well have a claim against the other driver for negligence and have a lawsuit, while at the same time having a workers' compensation claim against your employer because you have an injury arising out of in the course of your employment. And in a situation like that, you need a lawyer who understands and can well handle both a motor vehicle crash and a workers' comp case, because they can work together. And it's helpful to have one lawyer who understands both areas of the law and how best to proceed. We're tough. We look after our client first. That's what it's all about.